Alright, I just finished up this second eye as far as using the frisket. I might go back in later and work on them. Let's take this off here and run that. Alright. Okay, here's the reference. Got a lot of work to do still, but there's where I'm at right now. And the longer video is up right before it if you want to watch me working on the right eye. But I just finished the left eye and went back in on the right eye a little. And as I put the fur on and start to put the fur into its place around the eye, it'll start looking much more realistic. Right now it looks kind of well, it looks real, but it'll look really realistic as I get that fur in there. Alright, just a short clip so you guys can see the results of my earlier video. Okay, thanks again for looking. Take care. God bless. Have a nice day, everybody.